Today we're diving into Strapi, a headless CMS that's been gaining traction for its flexibility and ease of use. But is it really the best choice for developers and content creators? Let's find out what makes it stand out and where it might fall short. Strapi positions itself as a powerful headless content management system designed for developers looking to create APIs quickly. Its core functionality revolves around allowing users to manage content without being tied to a specific frontend, which is a huge plus for those wanting flexibility in their tech stack. The user experience is generally straightforward, with a clean interface that makes it easy to set up and manage content types. You can create custom APIs and manage everything from one dashboard, which feels intuitive for those familiar with web development. What's impressive is the ability to integrate with various front-end frameworks like React, Vue, and Angular, making it appealing for developers. However, for non-technical users, the learning curve might be a bit steep. Some documentation is available, but it can feel sparse at times, leaving users searching for answers. Let's talk about the pros and cons of Strapi. On the positive side, its flexibility stands out. Developers can easily customize their APIs and content structure. The open source nature also means you can tweak it to your heart's content. However, there are downsides. For starters, it lacks some built-in features that other CMSs offer, like advanced user roles and permissions, which can be a deal breaker for larger teams. Additionally, while the community is growing, it still doesn't match the support of more established platforms, which might lead to frustration for those needing immediate help. Pricing is another concern. While Strapi itself is free, scaling with additional features can get pricey. It may not suit smaller projects needing a simple, out-of-the-box solution. In conclusion, Strapi is a solid choice for developers seeking a customizable headless CMS, especially if you're comfortable navigating some complexities. However, if you're looking for a user-friendly option with plenty of built-in features, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying if you fit the right user profile.